Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 3639 Lake Breeze Way in Canandaigua.
This is the spectacular Canandaigua Lake View Dream Home.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with this impressive entrance with lake views. Opening to a two-story foyer with a grand staircase, crown molding, window lights, along with a palladium window, all with beautiful natural light. Opening to a convenient den or office with custom built-in cabinetry.
This is an entertainment-sized great room with phenomenal open living. Featuring a Dream Cook's kitchen with custom cherry cabinetry, a large island, even with a custom cabinet door that has a lift for your mixer, plus high-end appliances including Thermador and Bosch, quartz countertops by Cambria, a cathedral ceiling dining area, and a fireplace living area, all with a wall of windows to take in those nature views.
Just off the kitchen is this spacious and beautiful dining room with crown molding, all open to the living room, great for entertaining. Plus a one-of-a-kind garden room with three-sided walls of glass to take in those nature and Canandaigua Lake views. The excitement continues upstairs, featuring 4 spacious bedrooms, many with lake views, including a bedroom suite, 3 baths, including this ultimate and private owner's suite, with a walk-in closet, sitting area, spa bathroom, and more.
This newer lower level has it all, featuring a special laundry area with custom cabinetry and quartz countertops, a beautiful full bathroom, and several activity, exercise, and living areas with egress windows and room for a potential in-law suite or a 5th bedroom. The space is fantastic.
This house and garden gem has beautiful landscaping on approximately a ½ acre. This architect-designed home has exceptional quality and craftsmanship and is evident in the details. Experience the best that a Canandaigua Lake View Dream Home offers.
Enjoy this expansive 2-tiered paver patio complemented with exquisite landscaping. There's beautiful trees and views everywhere you look. Enjoy your favorite waterfront activities on Canandaigua Lake, steps away from this property at Westlake Schoolhouse Park and Beach.
This property has an exceptional location in a neighborhood of fine homes called Fox Ridge, which is convenient to the entire Finger Lakes region and Rochester. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 3639 Lake Breeze Way in Canandaigua.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.